on. Let me pet him. Can I pet him? Nice, Roxy. Can I pet you, Roxy? Can I pet you? Oh, good, Roxy. It's okay. It's okay. She's okay, Roxy. You're a good girl. So you're going to protect those puppies? You know what? Are those even your puppies? Do those puppies look anything like you at all? I don't think those are your puppies. I think those are Angel's puppies. Ooh, you missed one. Better bring it over there. Are you babysitting? Is you babysitting, Roxy? No, she's good, Roxy. Are you babysitting? Whose puppies are those? Oh, okay, we won't talk about that. Okay.